Imagine you have a magical box called variable that can hold different types of things. Each type of thing has its own special box. For example, you have a box called number for holding numbers like 1, 2, or 3. Another box called text for holding words like apple or banana. There's also a box called Boolean for holding true or false, like a light switch that can be on, true, or off, false. When you put something in the wrong box, it's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. So by understanding these boxes and what goes in them, you can organize your things better and make your magic box work just the way you want it to. Data types define the nature of the data we work with, such as numbers, text, or dates, and dictate how the data can be stored, manipulated, and used in our code. In Apex, Salesforce's programming language, mastering data types is essential for building robust and efficient applications that handle data effectively. In the following chapters, we will delve into the core data types in Apex, exploring their characteristics, use cases, and best practices for implementation. Understanding data types in Apex will empower you to write cleaner, more efficient code and make informed decisions about data management in your Salesforce projects. But to better understand and read the code effectively, we unfortunately need to familiarize ourselves with some terminology first. An expression is a combination of values, variables, and operators that evaluates to a single value. Like a formula, expressions are used to perform calculations, make decisions, and manipulate data. Examples of expressions include arithmetic operations, method invocations, and logical comparisons. An assignment statement is used to assign a value to a variable or a data structure. Assignments in programming are used to connect variables, which store data, with specific values. This allows us to store and manipulate data in our programs. For example, we might use an assignment to set the value of a variable. Here we assign the variable name to represent a value of type integer. The variable name, age, represents the value 26. And here the expression calculates the value of age plus 5 and assigns it to a variable named another variable. As a result, age variable holds the value 26 until we make another assignment and change it. And another variable holds the value 31. Another terminology used in many modern programming language is definition, the context, and declaration, a variable without context. Meaning that you can declare a variable without assigning any values to it or without defining it. In other words, without giving a context. Remember, this is just the beginning. If you want to dive deeper into Apex or have any questions, consider joining Talentify Lab. There, you can access more detailed explanations, example projects, and get mentoring to further enhance your Apex skills. Keep coding and exploring new possibilities in Salesforce development.